What's up guys, you're watching the Sid Show, and if you're new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error, and the error is CE-100009-0. There was an issue with the update file. So you're having a problem with your update file or system software, and here I'm just going to share my screen on my left side, and here we are at the screen. Simply you just check your application is up to date or not. If your application is getting a problem, if not updated, you must go update it, and then you must check the server. Sometimes the server is down, that's why it's not going to updating, or your network connection is not working. Here you check your application is downloading or not, is start updating or not, and then here we go, check the system storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage, that's why your update is not going to start. You must free your space, and in the last, what to do, you just turn off a PlayStation 5, go to the safe mode. There's a rebuild database, clear cache. You just simply rebuild the database. After rebuilding, database corrupted file will be deleted, your system software will get renewed, and your application maybe will be downloading, the start downloading. So simply that's how you can fix this kind of error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box. See you soon for the next one.